Hello developers. Did you ever got unable to resolve dependency tree? This error is related to peer dependency. So let's see how to resolve this error. If you are getting these kind of error, there is a simple solution for all. One simple command and this error will resolve. Okay, so do this. So whenever you try to install a package, sometime it will throw an error of unable to resolve dependency tree. So how to get rid of this error? Okay, so let's say I need to install a package name as React Router for native. Okay, so this is the package I want to install. So it will give me a error of dependency, peer dependency error. Okay, so I can resolve this error by this dash 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 legacy 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 dash peer dash deps legacy dash peer dash deps. If you install if you install any package with this, then you will not get peer dependency tree error. Okay, so try this once. Because I have this package already, so I'm not installing it again. But if you install any package, so just add this after the command. Okay, after the command, let's say this is our command, so just add these three letters with dash 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 dash, so you will not get the error again. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.